Ever opened 10 tabs, checked 3 apps, replied to 2 messages, and then forgot why you started? That's cognitive overload in action, and it's killing your focus, productivity, and mental clarity. Let's break it down. Your brain has limited working memory, like RAM on a computer. Too many inputs equals lag, frustration, and burnout. That's what cognitive load theory is all about. Developed by educational psychologist John Sweller, this theory explains how your brain processes information in real time. There are 3 types of cognitive load: intrinsic load, the actual complexity of the task; extraneous load, the unnecessary noise or distractions; germane load, the effort your brain makes to learn and grow. Want to perform better? You can't always reduce the intrinsic load. Some tasks are just hard. But you can eliminate the extraneous load, the distractions, multitasking, clutter. And you should invest in the germane load: focused learning, reflection, and deep work. Here's the hack. Do one thing at a time. Remove visual and mental distractions. Break big tasks into smaller steps. Use tools like the Pomodoro technique or single task sprints. It's not about working harder. It's about giving your brain the space to do what it's actually great at. Challenge of the day. Pick one task you've been putting off. Now, close all tabs except what you need. Silence the phone. Set a 20-minute timer, and give it your full bandwidth. Your brain isn't built for chaos. It's built for clarity. In the next video, we combine 2 productivity hacks to beat procrastination and work faster: Pomodoro plus Parkinson's Law.